Good morning.
Time to get up. These glasses, jacket, and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to detox my locks because it's been a while and they need it. So just stay tuned. I'm just gonna do a simple detox. I'm not gonna do the same one I did last time, but I do got some of that stuff left, so I might use it if I have to do it like a second time or something. So okay. All right. So hey, first I'm gonna fill it up with some warm water and yeah. Let me get to it. I'm gonna try to get it to about this line here. You can't see it, but try to get it to this line right here. What you see? But actually doesn't. It's further down. I think last time I got it too full. So yeah, that's about it. So this is how my hair looking. Ugh, it's time. Alright, so I am going to toss in my stuff now. And I have the apple cider vinegar and the baking soda. And I got some lemon too. So I'm not going to really measure it. I probably should, but I'm not. I'm going to throw in my ACV. No, that's baking soda. This is like a store brand. I think I got it from HEB. More than likely I did. See, I wish I had somebody to like pour this stuff on top of my head. See. I'm gonna do it again once I get myself together though. And lastly, I'm gonna throw in my lemons. Ooh. And I'm gonna just let it sit in there. Y'all. Okay. Okay. Just let it soak and do its thing. Okay. Alright, so I'm doing what I can do, but I should have like I don't know. I need to put some more water in it so I can get to my scalp. I'm going to do that probably after this rinse. Maybe. We gonna see. We finna see something right quick. Oops. Because the record myself. Oops. We finna see. That actually feels really good. Okay. I feel like I did get my scalp this time. Well, of course I did. But, y'all, this is way more difficult than what it looks like. Unless you got somebody else to record. Yeah. So, I think I'm going to let this sit for like 30 minutes or something. We gotta see. But it's doing its thing. I'm just trying to get all my hair in. So, it's definitely working, as you can see. Ew, that is gross. Yeah. So I made some adjustments and was able to get like the more of them roots and stuff in. Y'all, this is so difficult to do when you ain't got nobody to record, like for real. And yeah, because if I put too much water in it, it's gonna spill. So I had to move it to like some of it coming out now. I feel it on my back, but I had to adjust the little sink some. And I actually think I'm gonna take this out early because I think I need to run some more water. This is nasty. Alright, so I finished round 1. I'm about to do round 2 because I think it's needed for real. That's the after effect. So yeah, round 2 is definitely needed. Alright, this is round number 2. Make sure I got everything in. Oh, for round number 2, I'm using the Loc Detox that I used last time. Yeah, just gonna let this sit for 20 minutes. I'll be back. Alright, this is a close-up. I'm like 6 minutes in. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This water hot too. It's pretty hot. Alright, so there's that. I did not get to get this. This is the only part of my scalp I didn't get, but I got everything else. But now that I see this mess, I'll just wash it out with the Dr. Bronner soap because it's usually pretty good about getting stuff out. It brought a lot of stuff to the surface. Yeah. I'm gonna turn around and let y'all see the back. There's this. Yeah. Do a close up. Okay, so another thing from here on out, I think I'm gonna stick to the products that I know, like Lion Locs and whatever else is like completely natural because as you can see, I do have some buildup. I did have some. What is it? Alright, so I'm done washing. I feel like I got everything out pretty well. All the stuff that rose to the top, I will say. I did get it out. I'm gonna turn around to the back so you can see. This is the back. There, I got everything out. So my detox was a success. Probably won't do another one till about the end of the year or something. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. We gonna see though. I'll probably do another one at the end of the summer. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Do one like at the beginning of a new season, like the beginning of spring, like I did now, and then the beginning of fall, and then probably every year in December when it gets to my 1 year, because that'd be like right before winter really kick in here. So yeah, that is it. It's been nice seeing y'all, having y'all in here watching me. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap the notification bell so you know every time me, your girl, the Curl Maverick, uploads a new video. If you have any questions, drop them down below. If you have any video suggestions, drop them down below. And I will talk to you later. My locks feel so much better after they detox, like, and now my hair is pretty much somewhat dry for the most part. I have a few wet spots here and there, but y'all, my locks feel so good. Like, yes, they've grown so much.